Hello, my name is Jory. How are you? What's your name? What do you do? Yes, I'm asking these questions because we are going to learn about WH questions. So, let's start. WH questions are words used to tell us more information about a person or a thing. The answer can be yes or no. It means that when you ask information using WH questions, you need to give a whole answer. So, as you can see, all of them starts with WH with the exception of how, which starts with H. I'm going to tell you what each one of them means in Spanish. So, what in Spanish means que, where means donde, when means cuándo, why means por qué, which means cuál, who means quién, whom means a quién, whose means de quién, and finally how means cómo. Well, each of these words, WH questions, also give a lot of information about a lot of things you want to know about a person or a thing. For example, means, what gives information about things and actions, where gives information about a place, when gives information about time, where something when something happens, why gives information about reason and explanation, which gives information about specific information, who gives information about a person as well as whom, whose gives information about possession, and finally how gives information about direct and indirect questions. So let's see a little bit more about them. So each one of them, what, where, when, why, which, who, whose, and how. When we are asking questions, all of them starts at the beginning of a sentence. So let's see when to use them and how. Well, here we are going to see an example of each one, where I'm going to ask questions about this information. Imagine you are in a school and you know a new person. So you are going to ask that person a lot of information, as much as you can. So let's start with the first one. What is your name? What's your name? My name is Amy. How old are you? How old are you? Sorry, the second one is what do you do? What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 12 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Colombia. Who are them? Who are them? Who are they? Sorry, who are they? Who are they? They are my friends. When do you go to school? When do you go to school? I go to school from Monday to Saturday. Why is that teacher here? Why is that teacher here? Because he is the new teacher. Which car do we go to the excursion? Which car do we go to the excursion? The car we are going to the excursion is the blue one. Who whom did you invite to the excursion? Whom did you invite to the excursion? I invited my mom to the excursion. Whose are these glasses? Whose are these glasses? These glasses are from Clara. As you can see, each WH question starts at the beginning of each sentence. And here in this example, I use all of them. So let's continue and practice. Well, in this picture, we are going to imagine we are in a zoo. So we are going to ask as much information as we can, asking, for example, what is the zoo? How many animals are there? What time it is open or what time it closes? Which days is this open? And the idea is we can ask and give a whole sentence in this picture. So what can you tell me about that? Can you explain and give information, asking and giving a whole answer? Well, let's start with the next this activity. In this activity, we are going to match a WH question with the precise questions. So, in the first one, let me see, we are going to join or match this, which is, did you come late did you came late today? So the WH question for this first WH words for this first question is this. Sorry, is this. Yeah, it means why did you came late today? Because I woke up pretty late. So you are going to do the same with each one of them. Okay, I hope you do it very well. Now we are going to work together. So in groups you are going to talk about a birthday party. So you are going to ask and answer as much questions as you can, giving information about what is happening in the party, what is the party, how old is the girl who is in the party, and ask a lot of information about the party. Imagine that I'm inviting you to a party, so you can ask, what is the party? What time is the party? What gift can I give you, or something like that. So hope you can practice a lot, and hope you enjoy the activity. And please tell me how was the activity, how did you feel in this activity, and have a nice day.